Some of the main challenges for our business is making the best effective use of our technicians in the field, optimizing their utilization, as well as streamlining all of our back office functions, and then rolling all that data up into effective reporting. The more efficient our techs are in the field, turning wrenches, the more money we make. My name is Tor Westgard. I'm the Director of Application Development here at Smart Care Equipment Solutions. It was very important to us that we chose a partner that specialized in field service. Overall, we chose IFS because it was the right fit for our size of company. It was feature-rich, and particularly obviously in the areas of field service, where it is in the Gartner Magic Quadrant and has been a leader for years. We invested in IFS because it was a platform for growth, and we're now making the changes to the system, configuring it to enable to bring every acquired entity onto a single platform. That was really what I would say is the largest selling point for us in investing in IFS. I like working with the people at IFS. If we didn't have all of those contacts and all those relationships, we don't think we'd be as successful as we are today. Our technicians, they don't like any system. They don't want any system. They want to be an independent business, every one of them. They like this solution. They understand the solution. They understand the need for it. Most importantly, we're constantly partnering with them to get a feedback loop to improve the system over time. Those partnerships with our technicians, our end users, is the most critical for us to be successful. We recognize that the best ideas don't always come from our leaders, but also come from those who are working closely with the system and closely in the field. Innovating from both the top down and the bottom up is what makes us a strong company. Our moment of service is our technicians being in the right location at the right time, leveraging the supply chain functionality of IFS to have the right parts to service the customer the first time in the right way to get them up and running as soon as possible. And that's why the moment of service is important. With the investments we've made, the partnership with IFS is critical to our success going forward. It is the baseline system that drives this business. And most importantly, the people of IFS, because it's the people that make the system work. And based on our experience, I'm very optimistic about the future.